What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Crab's Cooking the Conversation. This is your boy Tony coming at you with another seafood mukbang. Y'all, today I have king crab, I got shrimp, I got a lobster tail, corn, cucumber, boiled eggs, lemon, and some blove sauce. Y'all don't understand how hungry I am this morning. And yes, I said morning. I don't know if y'all can see the steam coming off of here, but it's hot. Oh, but it's so good. So good. So, how's everybody doing out there in the semi-lockdown world? Yeah, I'm just trying to maintain and keep a leveled head about everything. And of course, I got my crab leg, my king crab from Sam's Club. They always have the colossal, and theirs are always pre-split. Look at that. It's making my mouth water. Oh, it's hot. Y'all see that steam? Got a little lemon. Oh, it's good. Go to heat. And y'all, would y'all believe this is actually leftovers? I went and got the seafood and everything yesterday, and I was at my best friend's mom's house, and I was intending on doing a video there, but a few other people ended up coming over. I was like, I'll do it tomorrow. But this is leftovers. And usually, to me, I don't know why, it's like anytime you have something with a lot of seasoning, it's always better the next time. Ooh, look at this piece of meat here. This is a big piece. Let me get all this soft stuff off. And I know a lot of people be like, oh, ain't that meat that you're throwing away? No, it's not necessarily meat. It's something that is like soft on the crab, and it's not really good texture or taste. But look at that. Ooh, let me give me some ginger. Ooh, it's hot. That is good. It's a little spicy. No. There go the meat cups. Yeah, I'm like really hungry today. Yeah, I don't think I can finish all of this. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm sorry, I gotta eat first, y'all. And y'all probably, I'm so hungry because we did our good drinking last night. I'm having some good drinking. It was about 1, 2, 3, 4. So about 5 of us really. They kind of had cocktails. But between the 5 of us, we finished a whole 5th of vodka and another half gallon of vodka, baby. Making some lemon drop martinis. That was so good. Let's try this lobster tail. That was good, but I didn't want to get up this morning. And luckily I was off today, because I couldn't imagine doing that on a Saturday night and having to get up Sunday morning to work. They probably wouldn't see me. Lobster. It's all right with me. All right with me. Okay. I need to use this to kind of cool my mouth down. So, when I was younger, I was very bullheaded, and so like narrow-minded in sight to the point where if I had something in my mind that I believe was happening or the way I was seeing it was like the end all be all. It was nearly impossible to change my mind after I made my mind up on something. But I am thankful for growth and the ability to be able to look at another person's perspective. Because I have learned that over the years that, you know, we could all be in the same room, witness the exact same thing, but experience it totally different. Excuse me. Now, I didn't arrive at this place overnight. It's something that I like really had to sit back and accept that, okay, I'm not always right about everything. And sometimes I may be the problem. But like, I'm thankful to still be there's a fly in here. Y'all can't stand the fly. I'm thankful to be still fairly young enough. I'll be 35 this year to recognize, okay, yeah, I'm wrong about that, or well, yeah, you know, it really didn't happen like that, or what have you. God dog it. Because I know that there are some people who think they're never wrong, ever. And it's how Tabitha Brown said, that's your business. That is your business. But if you ever turn around and look at the trail of destruction that's behind you, you'll realize, okay, maybe it wasn't everybody else. Maybe I did play a role in this situation, whatever the situation may be. But I'm just like I said, when I was younger, baby, you couldn't tell me nothing. Like, once I got in my head, I believed something, and I feel like that I seen something the way that it happened. Couldn't change my mind. And it's like, I especially am grateful to be able to see a different perspective, especially like with, like, I want children soon, about 3. Pray for it. But I want about 3 kids, and sometimes even the kid may be able to teach an adult something. Y'all, I think my eyes are bigger than my stomach. Meaning I thought for a minute that I'll be able to finish all this because I was so hungry. But I don't think that's gonna happen today. Which means I'll just have leftovers for tomorrow. Because we are having fish and spaghetti for dinner. And for all of those who like, oh, I don't care what you say. I was raised as spaghetti is a side. I don't care. You like, oh, well, you can go to Olive Garden or whoever. We tell her at the house. Spaghetti is a side dish. Never been a main dish. Won't ever be a main dish. Now that I won't change my mind. I see people debating about it all the time. You know, if I saw a pot of spaghetti on the stove, my first question would be, so where's the meat? And my grandmother, I think maybe once or twice, it wasn't often. If she didn't cook a pot of spaghetti and didn't feel like cooking anything else, and I asked that same question, her response was, it's in the pot. With the spaghetti, meaning the ground beef or ground beef. But as for me and mine, spaghetti will always and forever be a side. Y'all, I feel like pretty full. I really just need to soak up some of this alcohol from last night. So, the other night, I've experienced what, a lot of people say, don't just randomly call me on Facebook or from Facebook. One, if you call me from Facebook, you don't have my number. Two, if you don't have my number, which means we don't regularly talk. And what is it that you need to call me from Facebook for? I was literally late in bed the other morning. Well, it was about 1 a.m. And somebody had been like inboxing me and never responded at all. So it's like, if that's not a clear enough sign, what the hell make you think I want to talk to you on through Facebook? If I'm not responding to your several messages that you've sent and hadn't responded, you think it's okay to call? It's like, y'all, I was like immediately annoyed. But did not call me once on Facebook, but called me twice. Almost like back to back, as if I had missed the call and was calling back to just so I could catch it. Y'all don't know. I was like pissed. So I was nice and polite when we went to their profile. Blocked. Like, even just thinking about it now, just it irritates me. So I understand, like, I make it seem like a lot. When I'm like, why is this dude calling me from Facebook or blah, 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 blah. Y'all, I now understand the frustration and the way it makes you feel. Like, I have not responded to you. Why are you calling me? But And I was laying in bed next day. Now, I know in the past, had the tables been reversed, I would have looked like, who was that? Why they call you? Is this something that's normal? Or, you know, automatically jump there. But as part of that growth process I was just talking about, I got butter all in my beard. Whew, y'all, I'm full. I'm really angry. But as y'all can see, I didn't really have much to talk about today. I was more so hungry than anything. Oh, excuse me. And I've gone through quite a lot. More than I thought. But it was really good. Okay, I got a couple of claws left. Like I said, this is probably what I'm eating tomorrow once I get off. Well, y'all, I ain't gonna hold you all day. I just wanted to come in and talk to y'all for a minute and bless you with my presence. Oh, y'all, I appreciate you. I appreciate the support. Thank you for watching the video. And y'all, I'm just keep on grinding, keep on grinding, keep on grinding until something happens. I know everything else that I'm working on, I just have to stay the course. Stay the course. But y'all, remain healthy and safe out there. And until next time. Peace out.